Imagine a future where every child has the skills to build the next big innovation. In Southeast Asia, 85% of students lack the STEM skills they need. At the same time, 60% of companies report critical tech talent gaps. This isn't just a skills shortage, it's a crisis with wide-reaching implications. But what if your company could play a key role in bridging these gaps through a simple partnership with Dreamers Academy? We're teaching coding to 4,000 plus kids in 20 countries to gain this must-have STEM skill for the future. And your partnership can build this future even better. All we ask is that you spread the opportunity within your organization. As a partner, every employee from your team will receive 30% off our monthly fee and, of course, one free trial class. Dreamers Academy, empowering the next generation. Partner with us today.